Okay everyone, and today video I'm going to show you how to insert or change the battery on your Samsung air conditioner remote control. Okay, as you can see on the table now, I got two of the new battery, and to replace the battery you need to turn your remote upside down like this, and then you will see the battery location here, and it helps the button that we can press and take down the cover. Okay, press and then you can take it out, and now you see another old battery, and to take it out you need to press the battery like this, and another one with this location. Okay, and it used the two of the AAA size battery, so please make sure that you got the correct battery size, and put the new battery, follow up this label inside the remote control, this location like this, press and put it inside, another one to this location, press and then insert back the cover. Just input this one first, and then you need to press on this location. Okay, when you hear that sound, now your battery insert correctly, and now you can turn on your air conditioner normally. Okay, so that's it. That is all for today's video of how you can insert or change the battery on your Samsung air conditioner remote control. And now thanks for your time watching this short video, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye bye and have a nice day.